Welcome to the J&J Auto Working Test video for L8MZ440. This is a 2008 Maserati Quattroporte. Full disclosure, we totally bought this bad boy as a parts unit for the Project 185. I had to have that interior, and these wheels are gonna look spectacular after a little bit of powder coating. This car has 45,000 miles on it, roughly. 4.2 liter ZF automatic transmission. We are not able to test the transmission. Our loader hit the fork, or hit a fluid line, sorry. Pumped all the fluid out, so, or not all of it, but pumped a ton of fluid out. I'm not even gonna try it. It should be good. It's got no miles on it. It didn't go anywhere with low fluid. A lot of nice parts left on this car. Let's go ahead and fire it up because the jump box is being a pain in the butt. Special shout out to the car hauling company that broke our Maserati key. This is what he handed us. Well, not even handed us. I had to find this in the back, so you guys get to watch me struggle as I now try to turn this thing on.
Would you like me to hold the camera for you?
Yeah, go ahead and hold the camera, Andy. Andy here is gonna be a video man and show just how awesome the Maserati ownership is. All right, this better work. It didn't. Oh, come on, baby. Doesn't even want to. Nothing.
I may have to turn back. Oh.
Yep. This isn't embarrassing. Okay, well, let's try this again. Come on. I didn't hold it close enough again. Boy. System not programmed.
It was just running yesterday.
I wonder if it's... All right. Maserati attempt number 6 of the day. Really like to find this hauler and thank him. Okay, yeah, so that's the trick. Whatever. Whew. Well, as you guys saw, this is how we have to start this thing. 44,422 miles on it. Let's pop the hood. As you guys saw, it is snowing in Ohio today. There she is, running well. The transmission fluid is spraying all over the downpipe, so don't mind the little bit of smoke there. We are going to be selling this motor complete. Is a long block with the manifolds. Belt-driven accessories are going to be for sale. We'll have the alternator, power steering pump. Yeah. I was just thinking out loud about how hard it was to find an alternator for my car and how nice it would have been to not have spent $540 for a Maserati one when it's a perfectly good one right there. Anyways. Couple of dings here on the hood. We're gonna mark that, but this thing has a lot of good body parts left on it. Passenger headlight is still good. Wheels are spoken for. Gonna be a nice set of 19-inch Trident wheels for sale on our eBay store off of my car. I can't really test the transmission. Obviously, this entire interior is spoken for. I'm taking it all. But let's see if we can get the radio going. Boy, this thing is mad today. There it goes. Okay. There we go. Working well. Let's see if I can get to the nav. No D or no CD. No TV. Come on. Telephone is not available. Let's test out the window regulators really fast here. Copyrighted music off. Those are working well. Passenger side. Yep. All working. All seem to be working well. Stuck inside the car. All right, let me shut this thing off here. Let me get my key back. All right, that is going to wrap up the really boring test video here of L8MZ440, our 2008 Maserati Quattroporte. All the parts off this unit can be found on our website, www.jnjautoraking.com. If you guys are a fan of Maseratis, I'm going to leave a link down below. I bought a burnt one, and like an idiot, I'm trying to put it back together. So head on over there, watch that video, subscribe, give us a couple comments, but let us know what you think. So, I don't know. I'm a Maserati fan. It is what it is. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.